Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at an important privacy feature inside the Brave Nightly browser on mobile. If you use private tabs and want extra protection when leaving the app, first, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy to open the privacy-related options. After that, scroll down slowly until you see the option called Lock Private Tabs when you leave Brave. Turn this option on by tapping the switch next to it. Finally, once this feature is enabled, Brave will automatically lock your private tabs whenever you leave the app, adding an extra layer of security to your private browsing sessions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.